Here with a quick tutorial on how to use our ODP Business Solutions discount, better known as Office Depot. First thing you'll want to do is make sure that you're logged in to the IHFRA website, and you'll know that you're logged in by when you see your profile along the top right. You'll select Member Resources from your top menu here and select Benefits and Savings. All right. So once you get into this page, you'll notice that this is kind of our benefit hub. You'll see all of our benefit and discount programs that we have available, but today we're scrolling down to Office Depot Office Max, and you'll click the Access Savings button. Please note that if you're not logged in, it will not let you access this page, but for those who are logged in, you'll jump right in. Okay, so a lot of information here, kind of giving an update on the old Office Depot system compared to the new one. The most important thing that I want you to know is that if you've never registered for our ODP Business Solutions program, you'll select this link here, and we're going to be updating this, so we'll have a kind of a cheat sheet made up for you, but let's go ahead and select that, and just so we can show you how this works. So when you first register for this program, you'll go to community.officedepot.com, or you'll select the link from our website. And you'll have two options here. You can either register as a first-time user, or if you have already registered, you'll click on the login button. So assuming that you have never done this before, you'll click on the register button. You'll be prompted to create a login name, a password. This can be anything you want over here. It does not have to be your IHFRA credentials. And then you'll add your contact information, shipping address, and then very important, click on the button that says register for a store discount program. That will ensure that if you download the ODP Business app on your phone, you'll be able to access a QR code that gives you a discount for in-store printing and purchases. So if you've never registered, you'll complete all this as best you can. Make sure you click on the button for store discount program, do the CAPTCHA, and then hit submit. Another thing to notice on this page is you've got some important information here. So you've got, you can request an invoice account. This is not something that we recommend doing. Although you have access to it. If you just want to print a physical store discount program card, you can do so by clicking on that link and having it here. You'll see a co-branded store discount program card. It has our account number and then information on how to have the cashier access it. Again, they have Office Depot or ODP Business does now have an app, and they prefer that you use the QR code in the store, but this is still a viable option as well. So again, let's assume that you've already registered, you're good to go. Now it's time to actually go and print something out. You can do that by clicking this link here, or just going to odpbusiness.com. If you're a returning customer, you'll be prompted to log in, which I'm doing now. And here we go. All right, so once we get logged in, you'll be taken to kind of this landing page. You should be able to see any previous orders that you've had. Now, if you need to do a print or copy job, you'll click on the Services button up here and just select Print and Copy. Important to note that if at any time you want a better tutorial video than the one I'm producing right now, you can always click on this link to have the Office Depot tutorial video. But for the purpose of this video, we just wanted to give you a quick idea of the kind of savings you can expect if you're just doing, color copies or document printing, things like that. So for today's example, we're just going to do some color copies. And you'll click on the Get Started page. And at this point, this is kind of their copy center, I guess you can call it, where you upload the documents that you need to have printed, start a new project. You can kind of get bulk pricing options here, and then you can make all your selections. So for this, I'm going to use one of our vendors' ads for the Opportunity Center. So one of our great vendors, TrueCare. So let's do this. So we want this to fit to the page. We want it to be full color, single-sided. We're good with portrait, but maybe I want to go ahead and change the paper to a cardstock. So this is going to be in a store. I don't know. We're just throwing this example up against the wall here. And let's say we need 50 copies. Okay, so we've got everything set up the way we want. We want 50 copies of this little brochure here. It's on cardstock, full color, and we're looking at a total of $28.65 for 50 copies. So just for the sake of argument, I went ahead and created the same exact job, same exact type of paper on the regular Office Depot website. So this is the retail site, and we switched over here, and you're looking at $38.50. So about a savings of $10. And while again that doesn't seem like much, but when we're talking 28 to 38, it's a savings of probably about 30%. So it's definitely worth your time and effort to take advantage of these discounts. So definitely make sure that you register through IHFRA's website. So again, by going to the benefits guide, clicking the link here, which will definitely clean this up and make it look prettier, and then making sure you register for account. That way you can go to odpbusiness.com and log in with your IHFRA account there and be able to take advantage of the full discount. So again, it's about 30% on printed copies. Oftentimes it's higher than that, especially as you go up in quantities. But for today, it's just a good example of how you can save some money every time you take advantage of all of the benefits that IHFRA has to offer. Thanks so much. Hope you found this helpful, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks.